May service. May nakakalimutan ka pa eh, yung cake. Ay, joke.
Okay, in behalf of KFC management, would like to thank the parents of Denise for choosing KFC. Always finger licking, kicking good here at KFC Congressional. Thank you po. Have a nice day po.
Thank you. That's it. Hello! Hello!